Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Let's compute the antiderivative of this given polynomial function. So we see here that we have 5 terms for a given function. We have here the integral of 5x to the power of 4. Okay, you have here minus 8x cubed plus 9x squared minus 2x plus 1 with respect to x. So we're going to use here the first 3 rules that we have learned, starting with the sum and difference rule, which will allow us to separate them into different terms. You have here 5x to the power of 4 dx. Take note that this is minus, so what we have here is minus the integral of 8x cubed dx plus the integral of 9x squared dx minus the integral of 2x dx and plus the integral of 1 dx, or just simply the integral of dx. Once we are done with the sum and difference rule, let's apply the constant multiple rules, as we have here constants that may be taken out. So we have here 5 times the integral of x to the power of 4 dx. Let me redo that. That's just x to the power of 4. Then minus 8 times the integral of x cubed dx plus 9 times the integral of x squared dx minus 2 the integral of x dx, and of course you will have here the integral of dx itself. Take note that we have 5 sets of integrals, but we are just going to use a singular c to determine the constant or arbitrary constant that is needed in order for us to complete the set of all antiderivatives of the given function. What we need to do here would be, or to use, would be the power rule, which would allow us to solve for this where n is not equal to -1. We know that this is equivalent to x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus your c. But then again, we will have c later after we are done implementing all of those integrals. So what we have here is this. Starting with the first term, you have 5, and you will have x 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1. Again, let's leave c later on. And again, this is true because all of our exponents are positive. It's not -1. Minus 8, you have your x 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. Then plus 9 x 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. If you can actually get this already, you don't need to do this step by step, but allow me to do that here, okay, to emphasize some relationships. Then we have here plus. If we have integral of dx, it's just x itself, and this time, since we are done solving for the integrals of all, let's have c, which would allow us again to represent all antiderivatives as possible, all possible antiderivatives of the given function, because c may be negative, fraction, rational numbers, etc., etc. So we have plus c, only 1 at the end. Now we have here 5x to the power of 5 over 5 minus 8x to the power of 4 over 4 plus 9x cubed over 3 minus 2x squared over 2 plus x plus c. And using all of this cancellation law, 8 divided by 4 is 2, 9 divided by 3 is 3. That's just simply 1. We can write here our final answer, which is x to the power of 5 minus 2x to the power of 4 plus 3x cubed minus x squared plus x plus c. This is the antiderivative of our given polynomial function. If you are not convinced with this, you can of course and always try to find a derivative of this, and if that returns to this given function, then our answer here must be correct. Thank you very much for watching. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now!